Hello kids, today we're going to look at lesson number 98. The title of the lesson is Estimating by Weight or Mass. There are a couple of things that you want to note if you look in your textbooks to help us get started here. This is a part on the video, is not in your book though. But today we're going to make sure that you're familiar with different units of weight, both mass and capacity together. They all start with the systems that we used here in the United States, which describe things in ounces, pounds, and tons. So things that are weight like that, an elephant weighs in tons, a person in pounds, and a bird probably in ounces because it's lighter. So 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, and 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. There's another form of measurement, and that's called the metric system. That uses things like grams and kilograms. So a dollar bill or a paper clip is going to use the weight measurement of grams, whereas something heavier like a pair of shoes or a book would use things like kilograms. And you'll see here a conversion chart for some of the U.S. customary system as well. You can pause that if you need that a little bit later. All right, take a look at the book here on the first example. Here's something that we want to see to help us use to estimate the number of pennies in 5 kilograms. So we're going to note that there are about 400 pennies that make up 1 kilogram. So that means that for every kilogram that we jump forward in, as you can see here, we're going to go up by 400 pennies. So for example, 1 kilogram is 400 pennies. 2 kilograms is 800 pennies, 3 kilograms, 1,200, and so on. So when we estimate the number of pennies in 5 kilograms, we'll say that it's closest to 2,000. So that kind of helps us to do an estimation when we know what we can increase by each time we go forward. In the second example, as you read that, let's take a look at some of the work that goes with that. They're looking at a pitcher that's filled with water, and the empty pitcher weighs 3 pounds, and it's filled with water, and it weighs 7 pounds. So we know that there's 4 pounds of water in the pitcher. So a pint of water weighs about a pound. So if we have 4 pounds of water, 7 pounds in a filled pitcher, minus the 3 pounds of the pitcher that when it's empty equals 4 pounds. So that means there's 4 pounds of water, and that means there's 4 pints because there's 1 pint in every cup. That's kind of how we can use that as a system of measure. All right, I don't know if this is working or not, but I'm turning the camera around here for the end of lesson number 98. If you have any questions, again, please get a hold of me. We'll work through this a lot together, and we have 2 more lessons this week, and we'll try to limit this to about 10 questions per lesson itself, and then we'll also double check again here since it's the 3rd day into getting assignments turned into me. All right, we'll hope to see you soon. Bye.